Welcome to Hands-on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel. So I asked permission to bring you a battery. So I brought you the battery you asked me for today.
Yeah, thank you for bringing the battery. Yes, and the reason why is because we had a suggestion by a viewer.
Cool.
Viewer XRIZOV.
If this is you, drop us a comment. Give us some phonetic breakdown on how to say your name, because I would not be able to say that. I would just spell it.
Yes.
Cool.
But yes, this person made a suggestion for us to do a homopolar experiment.
Oh,
or activity, I should say.
So, got it. Okay, so
yeah, it's almost like a simple motor.
Okay.
Except...
Oh,
whoa, that's
magnets.
pretty. Yeah, magnets. So
They're pretty strong.
We got a really strong magnet.
Uh-huh.
We're using 2, and it has to be a little bit bigger than the battery. Okay. So
like
make
the diameter.
Yeah.
Has to be bigger.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that it can sit right on it. So you just place the battery right on there. Yes,
okay.
that's all
I'm
you
gonna
do.
go real slow.
Okay.
Because that definitely looked like
and make sure it's in the middle. Is that in the middle?
Or a strong magnet.
Yeah. Kind of place it in the middle as best as you can.
Okay.
Okay, and then we just got some copper wiring, and we kind of made like a heart. But you don't have to make a heart, but we decided to make a heart. Okay. And then make sure there's I guess a pointer maybe, so that it can go onto the top where it can sit. And let's see if it'll work. Place it right on top. Yeah, you kind of need to get the right middle, and it should spin.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep. So make sure when you do the wires, they actually touch the magnet.
This is cool. So you won't be able to see it on camera, but from where I am, I can see that the wire just barely grazes the magnet in the back, and there's this tiny little spark. And so you can see that it's making that connection. But this is super cool.
Yes.
This was a great suggestion.
Thank you, XRIZOV.
This was awesome, guys. So if you liked this activity as much as we did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. You can find this activity and so much more at midnightscienceclub.com. And for more science goodness, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more. We'll see you next time.
Bye.